morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, June 26th. I am at the, oh, you can't see it because the house is in between. Anyway, I'm at the Point No Point Lighthouse, and this is my view this morning. Oh, look at, there's a big barge over there. Oh, this is lovely. Although I wasn't supposed to stay here. I did get a knock on the door from the sheriff at 11:30 last night. He was kind enough to not make me leave, but was very stern about the fact that it is not okay to stay here. Anyway, so today I'm going to head toward Polsbo and meet up with a friend from the sheriff's office. See you there. What are you doing? Hi, sweetheart. What's this one's name? Hi, baby. How come you didn't bark when I rang the doorbell? Huh? How come? Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I need one. Babies? Hi. These are my friend Willow's new puppies. She just got them, what, a week ago? Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Do they jump up on the couch already?
Yeah, we're trying to get them to go up a ramp because dachshunds tend to have back problems as they age. Mm-hmm. So we're trying to teach them that.
These are called Chiweenies. They're part Chihuahua and part dachshund, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you trying to kiss the phone? Are you kissing my hand?
And they came from a rescue over near Seattle.
Oh, what's the name of the rescue?
It's called Hearts for Doxies.
Hearts for Doxies. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's gonna eat the nuts. I'm zoomed in too far. Hey you, what are you barking at? Huh? What are you barking at? Now you got your sister barking too.
Or grunting.
Your foot off it. There you go.
They crack me up. Round the corner we go.
I just left Willow's house after a great day playing with the puppies, and I wanted to show, I was starving. I'm just like weak, shaky, starving. So I don't do this very often, but I did today just because, you know, I didn't want to pass out at the wheel. And I went through Burger King drive-thru and got a Whopper with no bun, and I wanted to show it to you. This is very keto friendly, and it's going to be wonderful. Ordered a Whopper with no bun, and it's basically a salad with the burger patties, and it's going to be yummy. I know ketchup isn't very keto, but I sure wish I had some. Okay, you guys, thanks for hanging out today. I hope you liked the puppies. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Oh, and by the way, the Whopper with no bun was to die for. I added mayo to it. I know you're supposed to make your own mayonnaise on keto, but who has time for that? Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.